Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to provide a general overview on Beas Manufacturing, its core functions, and how it can benefit your company. Beas Manufacturing provides comprehensive, real-time support for manufacturing processes of small and mid-sized companies, fully integrated in the SAP Business One ecosystem. Beas Manufacturing is fit to support production processes of a wide range of industries. Of the numerous industries that our customers do business in, metal processing, industrial machinery, high-tech and electronics, and chemicals make up top 4 users of our solution. Beas functions fully integrate in SAP Business One, but we also provide a standalone solution of the product. The core functions are bill of materials and routing management, product cost calculation, work order management, material resource planning, reservation and allocation, quality control, personnel management, and factory data capture. The product features additional modules such as APS, product configurator or maintenance, system and easy-to-use customization tools, connection to other systems or machines, and an excessive set of complementary functions ranging from version control to inventory transactions, tool management, and many more. Let's see Beas in the system. As mentioned before, Beas is fully integrated in SAP Business One, and it provides fast, easy, and real-time access to all business information and supplies the additional reports and documents that are required for decision-making in all departments of your company, like sales, distribution, purchase, accounting, production, MRP, human resources, services, and so on. The main profile for Beas, though, is the full-scale governance of manufacturing processes, hence the name, inside the SAP Business One ERP domain. Beas comprises of core functions and additional modules, and you can access the various groups of functions with various licenses. However, Beas provides a basic license which complements standard ERP functions with comprehensive MRP1 and 2 strategies and work order management, calculations, and product costing processes, quality control, and terminal functions. To provide a quick overview of how you can work with Beas to produce an item, I'm going to walk you through the most important stages, functions in the program itself. In the configurational settings of the program, you can select one of the more traditional themes of SAP Business One, or our own Boyum style, which features a modern user interface with optimized navigation, flat icons, spacious structure view, and many more. In the item structure window, you can see all the items for production in your system. Item types can be make to order, make to stock, or engineering to order. As the name indicates, the items are displayed in a structure view, meaning all its bill of materials and necessary routings are displayed in a multi-level view. You can access the item master data from most Beas functions by clicking on this blue arrow, similar to the golden arrow of SAP functionality. Like here, it opens the item for extended editing that may affect all manufacturing, purchasing, sales, inventory, calculation, and planning processes related to the particular item. In the Item Master Calculation tab, you can see the planned costs of this item, and the system can calculate production costs based on the set calculation schema linked to this item. You can see the evolution of this item's costs in graphical mode, and in list view, and check all calculation results in various subtabs. You can set up different configurations of an item to be produced, and manage quality control steps based on detailed QC inspection plans following the production flow at the moment of receipts, operation steps, or based on SBO transactions like receiving materials of a purchase order or other inventory movements. Before the actual production, you can plan a pre-calculation to create price lists or customized items and calculate the material and labor costs of an item easily, and also set up your own calculation objects and other calculation criteria. To calculate the delivery date, you can access our Capable to Promise function, right from the context menu of an SAP sales order. By doing so, the system gives you an estimation of the first available delivery date with viable lead times, resources, and capacities. Beas breaks down the information to resource capacities per days and weeks and displays the flow from start date to delivery. If you change the estimated delivery date, the system will adjust everything and display the changed resource capacity values and material requirements. To plan all materials and check the requirements to produce an item, we offer our comprehensive material resource planning module. You can define different planning scenarios with all necessary requirements based on SAP forecasts for dedicated items or time ranges, and select resources to provide graphical view of utilization. After the calculation for material requirements of the production is completed, you can check all the details in the order recommendation window. The details show you when you need certain items in stock, when you need to create purchase orders to receive the assemblies on time, or create work orders to produce the item. Set your view to be broken down in weeks, and you can check from where the demand comes in for each requirement. You can set up security days and create purchase requests. By clicking on the button Mode, you can see all requirements in a list and work on item level to plan purchase requests, production requests, or inventory transfer requests, and you can perform functions for all lines at once. With the advanced planning scheduling, you can see the list of work orders and create a sequence of them based on priorities, dates, or other specific criteria, and check the graphical view, that is, extensive timeline, of your orders in the Gantt chart. You can see start and end dates, the overlapping of the orders, set the view based on resources or orders, see the interdependencies of the individual orders, and if need be, reschedule the orders on the timeline by just drag and dropping the resources, and the system will adjust the work orders accordingly. The system then ensures that by this rescheduling we have not surpassed the defined capacity of the resources, and all this can be run automatically. You can set up the system to be done planning by 9 a.m. every day, and after that you can change the delivery date, recalculate the start date, and the system will check all selected resources and data. You can block a set of work orders or release them. You, as the planner, can decide what you would like to change. To produce an item, we administer work orders in Beas. These orders include all the details of the quantities of necessary subassemblies and the production operations needed to produce them, the workers performing these operations, which tools they used, on which resources. We can see reservations for materials, time receipts, unfinished jobs or material transactions, received or issued materials, journal entries, batch and serial managed items, and many more. The production process can be managed and monitored from the terminal as well, which is meant to manage production easily from the factory shop floor. An even more flexible and streamlined mode to work with Beas is provided by our web apps terminal. With the running of the Beas web server, this web browser-based solution helps to perform core production activities on any handheld device. The employee can log in with their credentials, and the terminal will only display the apps that they have license rights to operate based on the personal administration in Beas. The operators can simply work with the barcode readers for work orders and items, or tap the screen when working with touchscreens. All the operations, time registrations, and material transactions carried out in the terminal on the actual factory shop floor can be traced and viewed by other employees in the distant office in real time. Then we can proceed with quality control. You can set up detailed inspection plans, which then can be linked to certain items, define how to process quality inspection by samples of predefined numbers and values, or by testing all samples based on minimum and maximum values. We can apply quality control to produce items, materials, and processes. You can set up manufacturing accounts, and after finishing up production, it is possible to analyze the cost and compare the planned costs and actual costs of the completed production with the post-calculation function. The list provides a full view of the total costs of the work order with all transactions and operations, reported time and various cost elements by listing the actual and planned values. For deeper analysis and absorption costing, Beas also offers its comprehensive business performance module. Beas can be customized for the specific needs of an industry. For this, we offer the internal solutions of the system, various customization tools, the Data Integration Hub to import company data, and the Beas Service Layer, which, being a middle layer, is a new generation extension API for consuming Beas and the SAP Business One data and services. Beas Manufacturing also offers a dashboard view, which is a field and visualization tool available with the Business One Usability package. Here, a set of dashboards are available out of the box, ranging from production planning, a view on resources and items, to production analysis, capacity usage, quality control, maintenance, and many more. Besides integrating with Business One Usability package, Beas can connect to Prodomax WMS for comprehensive warehouse management scenarios. Beas Manufacturing is the complete package for production governance in your company. It encompasses full-scale production control in the office and on the shop floor, from item management to cost and resource planning, from administrating production transactions to monitoring processes and managing time administration, quality control, post-calculation, and deep business performance analysis. We hope that our demonstration has aroused your interest. Please get in touch with us for further information on our product, and we will be glad to answer all your questions. To schedule a live demo, please contact us at sales@boyum-it.com. Thank you very much for your attention.